Hello and welcome. This is Nikhil Raj, Course Director for tutomarsh.com. Today our learning topic is why Primavera. There is a lot of project management softwares that is available in our market like Asta, Microsoft Project, Primavera, etc. But if you go and start working in big construction or big companies, you can see they would prefer Primavera. So why they choose Primavera? There are many reasons, but for beginners, I don't want to go much deeper, but I will explain with a very simple example. Let's have a look at our organization structure. The organization which I work is Navic Solution. If you look at Navic Solution, there are two major departments, that is civil and mechanical. And if you look at civil department, it is again divided to architecture, structure and MEP. And mechanical department is again divided to training and consulting department. And every department like architecture, structure, MEP, training and consulting is dealing with a lot of projects. If you look at architecture department, you can see it is dealing with project 1, 2 and 3. Structure is dealing with projects 4, 5 and 6. MEP project 7 and 8. Training project 9 and 10 and consulting project 11, 12 and 13. Now when you work in the real time, you know every project will be dealt by project manager and they call it as project management, right? Now look at Navic Solution. You can see Navic Solution is dealing with 13 projects under different department. Look at architecture department. Architecture department is dealing with project 1, 2 and 3. And these 3 project is having 3 project managers, right? And these 3 project manager need to report to the head of architecture department, right? This architecture is called as program. And the person who's the head of architecture department is called as program manager. Similarly, we got program manager for structure, we got program managers for MEP, training, consulting, also civil and mechanical. Civil and mechanical can be considered as the main 2 programs of Navic Solution, and architecture, structure, MEP, training, consulting we can consider as sub-programs. Right? Now look at Navic Solution. Navic Solution is dealing with a lot of programs, right? So that Navic Solution can be called as portfolio, or the person who is head of Navic Solution, you can call him as portfolio manager. So this is the structure of my organization. So just have a look at this structure. You can see there is 13 projects, 7 programs and 1 portfolio. Now I'm coming back to the point. Why Primavera? So we know if there is a group of projects, we call it as programs. And if there is a group of programs, we call it as portfolios, right? Now, why Primavera? Because Primavera is portfolio management software which can even deal programs and projects. And if you look at other project management software, it is just a project management software. It cannot deal with programs and portfolios. This is the biggest difference that makes Primavera away from other project management softwares. So hope you understood this session, and we will see again on the next video. Please subscribe us and keep learning. Thank you.